Hi, my name is Anne Marie Kuntz, and this is my presentation on gifts for students and staff. While thoughtful and kind, gifts and prizes purchased with school funds must follow procedural guidelines. When it comes to gifts for students, gifts can be given in two categories. One are incentive gifts, and another are special achievement gifts. When it comes to incentive gifts, these incentives are gifts given for fundraising efforts. These gifts should be given to students who participated in the fundraising event. The gift should be purchased with funds that were raised through the fundraising event. These gifts should be age appropriate and minimal cost. This makes sure that it does not affect the profitability of these specific fundraising events. And they should also not favor groups. Special achievement gifts commemorate specific student achievements. They should also be nominal in value. They should be age appropriate, and these types of gifts can be purchased with general funds, donations, or appropriate accounts. One example is giving an athletic award or gift to a student from the athletic fund. Gifts for staff come in different categories as well: special occasion gifts, fundraising incentive gifts, and all staff gifts. Special occasion gifts should be purchased with an established fund that has specifically been set aside to purchase things such as these special occasion gifts. These funds should be managed by a committee. The committee should have written procedures for these gifts, including a maximum allowances, and these procedures should be reviewed each year. The special occasion gifts that are purchased for staff should be reasonably priced, and they should be used for things like life events such as the birth of a baby, a wedding, and so forth. Fundraising incentive gifts are given to staffs who have participated in the fundraising event or project for a school. These incentive gifts for staff should be reasonably priced so that it does not affect the profitability of the fundraising event. And as a general rule, they should be at least less than 5% of all profits gained through the fundraising. All staff gifts should be purchased with staff-raised funds or donations from an outside source. You can use the general fund in limited uses, basically less than $5. Anything less than $5 may be permitted. However, you need to refer to your district-specific guidelines. No cash or cash equivalent gifts can be given unless they are added to the employee's W-2 as part of their payroll earnings. Special gifts can be gifts for staff or students who have experienced a catastrophe or are going through an illness. School fundraising events must be approved, and they should be approved while consulting the district accounting department. There are really specific guidelines as to how money can come in and out of a school. Cash or cash equivalent received from the school by any staff must be reported as payroll. The best option is to ask an outside organization, such as a parent organization, PTA, PTO, to coordinate a fundraising campaign or event to raise funds for a staff or a student. And this way it can keep the funds separate. It's very clear that these funds were raised for this specific purpose, and they're not commingled with any of the school funds. And these funds that are raised should not be kept in the school bookkeeping journals or records. Thank you for watching my presentation on gifts for staffs and students.